National Exam Hot Sheet, page 7. Loan estimate combines TILA and RESPA requirements and shows both APR/lender costs and all estimated loan costs. Information to help consumers better understand loan and closing costs must be provided to the borrower no later than 3 days after loan application, and consumer must acknowledge receipt. Replaces good faith estimate, GFE, and the initial truth in lending, TIL, disclosure. Valuation and market analysis. Formal appraisals are required for all federal loans, including FHA and VA loans. Could be used to determine value for a seller or for a buyer to stop paying PMI. A real estate professional trying to determine the value of a pool for a house would use contribution. When determining value for the property with an above ground pool, the agent is not able to locate any properties with a pool to determine the value of the pool. The agent should not look at other areas or go to a pool company to find out what it would cost as new. The pool has not contributory value, and this could also be considered functional obsolescence. Scenario R. A large house in an area of small houses would suffer in value, which is known as regression. A small house in an area of large houses would increase in value, which is known as progression. The worth of an improvement is what it adds to the entire property's value, regardless of the actual cost of the improvement. That's contribution. The more a property or its components are in harmony with surrounding properties or components, the greater the value. That's conformity. Market value. What someone thinks the property would sell for. CMA or appraisal would be used to determine market value. Market price. Actually what the property sold for, also the agreed sales price on purchase agreement. The sales comparison approach may also be called the market date approach. They're spelling all kinds of shit wrong. It's market data approach. A CMA would be most similar to the market data approach. CMA comps should be kept within 6 months in changing markets, and highest and best use should not be considered. The cost approach method should be used when the appraiser knows the square footage and price to build per square foot. It would be inappropriate for an agent to tell anyone how to take title to property. It is unacceptable to tell a married couple to use joint tenancy with rights of survivorship or tenancy by the entirety.